My name is Lamin Jarju. I'm a community health nurse. Communities I cover are all hard to reach areas. Access to healthcare service is always a problem. The motorcycle I use, it really helps me because the road conditions are always terrible. Without a motorcycle, I can't do my job.
Before, it was not easy for women to come to the health center. So most of them will either give birth at home or deliver on the way. But now, when they call, we will alert the ambulance driver that will go pick them, bring them to the facility with no delay. The impact cannot be overemphasized.
I want to say a very big thank you to the motorcycle community. Without their help, I don't think we can do this service we are rendering. So we send a very big thank you to everybody around the world.